What is NJPIP?
PIP stands for Personal Injury Protection. What that is the amount of coverage that you have under an automobile insurance policy if you're involved in an accident. PIP coverage does not depend on who caused the accident, who's at fault. Whether you're a driver that caused an accident or a passenger, you will get PIP benefits. PIP benefits usually come from your own insurance policy. So what do these benefits include? The benefits include payment for medical bills, and that could be anywhere from $0 up to $250,000, depending on the amount of coverage that you purchased. Generally, there is a deductible for $250 and a copayment on the first 20% of the first $5,000. But you need to check your policy for the exact specifications of that coverage. The second thing that PIP covers is loss of income. That could be up to $100 per week, or if you select a different option, it could be several times that amount, up to $700 per week. Again, you need to check your insurance policy declaration page to see the exact type of coverage and the amount that was purchased. The third thing that PIP covers is essential services. That could be either $20 a day or $12 a day, again, depending upon the amount of coverage that was bought at the time. So what exactly is essential services? Essential services covers house cleaning, babysitting, transportation to doctors. These type of expenses, you can add that in. And you can get up to, like I said, depending on the amount of coverage purchased, up to $20 per day. And it doesn't have to be all used up in one day. So, for example, you can aggregate the days if you paid a landscape of more than $12 or the $20 which was purchased. Finally, there's funeral benefits. Depending on the policy, again, more than likely it's $1,000 toward the payment of a funeral.